Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Grade Ape token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB on Binance or another exchange, transfer it over to your Smart Chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, and then swapping it for the Grade Ape token. I would like to let you guys know as well, I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials coming out of my channel, showing you guys lots of things like how to sell, how to buy, and a lot more. So if you guys are interested in crypto space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel. Anyhow, just stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly how to get the Grade Ape token. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet, whether you guys transfer it from an exchange like Binance, or if you guys just purchase BNB directly in Trust Wallet, which you guys can do as well. I just know that doesn't work for a lot of people, so I just wanted to show people the other option that they had to purchase BNB. Anyhow, if you guys did purchase BNB right in the Trust Wallet app, just ensure that you have it in your Smart Chain wallet. So if you guys have your BNB in your BNB wallet here, you just want to go ahead and click on it, click on more, and then click on swap to Smart Chain right here. Just make sure it's on your Smart Chain wallet or else it will not show up in Pancakeswap, so just be aware of that. But the first step that we have to do here is we have to add the Great Ape token to our Trust wallet. And to do that, I'll have a link in the description and comment section down below for you guys just to go ahead over to BSC Scan. And I'll show you guys really quickly what that looks like here. So once you're on BSC Scan, you just want to scroll down and find where it says the contract. And you just want to click on that little copy button beside contract. Once you guys have that copied, you can go back over to Trust Wallet and open it back up. Once you're back in Trust Wallet, we can go to the top right of the screen where you see that little red circle I'm going to put on the screen there. Just go ahead and click on that and then just paste that contract address in this search right here. You're then going to see Add Custom Token. So we're going to click on Add Custom Token. And it's going to ask us for the network. So in the network, we're going to click on Ethereum here and switch it over to Smart Chain. And then we're going to paste that contract address in the contract address section right here. We can then type in Great Ape for the name. And then we could put in here the symbol. So I'm just going to check what it shows on the website here. So it says the symbol is pretty much just Great Ape with no spaces. And then we could scroll down under Profile Summary. And it says decimals. So for decimals, it says 9. So what we're going to do back here is go back into Trust Wallet. And for the symbol, we're going to put Great Ape, just like it shows on the website with no space. And then decimals, we're going to put 9. Once we're done that, we click on Save at the top right. And then we'll have the Great Ape token in our wallet, or at least the spot for the Great Ape token in our wallets. So now we have to go over to the bottom where it says Browser. If you guys don't have Browser there, you have to go to the next link I have in the description and comment section down below. It'll be over to Trust Wallet support page. And basically what it's going to show you on this website is how to enable your dApps browser. And to do that, you just want to scroll down and you'll see step 1 here. Just go ahead and click on that link. Once you guys click on that link there, you can scroll down and it'll show you that it's going to open up a pop-up asking you to open it up in Trust Wallet. So you can go ahead and open it up in Trust Wallet and then you will have your browser icon at the bottom of your screen. Anyhow, once you guys have that browser icon, we can go back over to Trust Wallet and open up the browser. And then we're going to go into our Pancakeswap application. Now, if this is your first time using Pancakeswap, you will have to connect your wallet, and you'll be able to do that by going to the Connect button at the top of the screen. I'll have a little red circle around it there for you guys. All you have to do is click on Connect and then click on Trust Wallet. It will then load your wallet address up at the top. And then all you have to do is make sure that you see your balance for BNB, and I'll have that circle there as well where you will see your balance. And just like I said, you have to make sure that your BNB is in your Smart Chain wallet or else it will not show up in Pancakeswap. So for whatever reason, if you have BNB and it's not showing up in your balance, just ensure it's in your Smart Chain wallet. But once you see a balance there and your wallet's connected, you just go and click on Select a Currency. And we're going to paste that same address that we got from BSC Scan in here. We will then see the Great Ape token here, so we can just go ahead and click on Import. And then it's going to let us know that this is coming from an unknown source, but it's coming directly from BSC Scan, so we know it is the correct token. And it's also coming directly from their website as well. But yeah, so all you guys have to do here is click on I understand and import. Now what you guys have to do is change your slippage tolerance to 12%. The reason being is you have to pay fees every time that you try to purchase the coin. So to avoid having to pay multiple times for fees, you can just change slippage tolerance so the transaction goes through. And to change the slippage tolerance, you just want to go beside where it says exchange, where you see those 3 lines. Click on those 3 lines and just type in 12% here. Once you guys do that, you can click on X. And then you just have to decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the Great Ape token. So let's just say if we're going to do 0.2, you type in 0.2, and it'll show us how much Great Ape we'll get in exchange for the token. All you have to do now is click on where it says insufficient BNB balance. So if you go ahead and click on where it says that for me, it'll just tell you right there on your screen to swap or confirm to swap, and then it'll show you a more broken down version of your transaction, showing you your withdrawal rates and your fees and things like that. So just make sure you guys are aware of those things first. But if you're comfortable with what you see there, you can go ahead and click on swap, and then you could exit out of here and go back over to your wallet. And usually within a couple of minutes, you should see your Great Ape tokens in your wallet. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase the Great Ape token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.